Well, it's slightly cooler today by about 1 degree. Currently now it's 8.3, 8.1 overnight and 10.8 yesterday. Well, it's slightly wet on the ground. In the rain gauge here, we'll call that 3 millimeters. So out here, it's Tuesday the 20th of January. Cows in the far field over there, in the cuckoo stone field. Sheep, no idea. It's certainly not misty today, so you can see everything. Cars on the A303 over there. Line of trees over there. Beyond that is Stonehenge, about another couple of miles. So there we go. Have a great day. Oh, and it's breezy.